Did you know that light is way faster than sound? Like, ridiculously faster. So, if I record myself talking, you'd think the video should hit my eyes way before the sound hits my ears when I watch it later, right? But why don't I feel any lag when I watch it? It's because your brain is a genius. It syncs up what you see and hear so smoothly, you don't notice the gap. Unless you're really far away from the sound source, like watching fireworks. Then you'll feel it. Fun fact, light travels nearly 1 million times faster than sound. Your brain is the real MVP.